You guys, welcome back to another vlog. As you see, I am rocking this 22-inch wet and wavy hair that I did get from Amazon. But if you are new to my channel, welcome, baby. They know me as Drea. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. This is just a hair review that I did order from Amazon. I do love it. It is a 13 by 6, 180 density. So this hair is real cute. It's real soft. When I did get the hair, I did pre-wash it and everything, but I have no complaints about this hair, y'all. Like, this hair is real cute. This is not a sponsor, but you know, I'm manifesting, y'all. I'm manifesting. But this is what I bought with my own coins. This is not a sponsor, so I did buy this with my own coins. The hair was not expensive at all. I only paid $120 for the hair. I will make sure I put the information on the side and also put the information in my description box. So if you do want to order this hair, like I said, this is 22-inch. I did a side part. You can do either way, you know, if you want to just have it pushed back, or if you want to do a middle part, it's up to you how you want to do it, sis. But this hair is really cute. I kind of wet it a little bit. I did not wet it all the way because me personally, I like kind of bushy hair when it comes to wet and wavy, but it is real beautiful too when it when it's wet. Like, it's real beautiful when it's wet. But this hair is real good, like real good. This is my first time ever ordering hair from Amazon, and baby, I have no complaints. I have no complaints at all. Like, this hair is amazing. Like, this is how the back looking on me. Like I said, this is 22-inch. This is what 22 would stop on me. Like, if you pull down once it's wet, that's where it would stop on me, like broad length. So, you know, if you tall, sis, you got to do longer. I'm only 5'3", so I'm short. So, but like I say, I have no complaints about this hair. This hair is real good, like real good, sis, like real good. So y'all gonna see with me installing this hair in. So yeah, y'all tell me what y'all like about this hair. If y'all have any questions that y'all have any concerns about, just ask me in my comments and I'll answer back to you. So let's get on to me installing this hair. Okay, this is how the hair has came in packaged from Amazon. It has facial hair on the front in this beautiful green bag. I'm gonna keep this bag, y'all. I'm gonna keep this bag to make sure I put this baby up when I'm done. So of course, as you see, it is only 22-inch. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful, and it's so soft. Like, I haven't even pre-washed it yet, and it is so soft, and the curls are everything. It did not have a smell to it, so that was the good part about it. It did not have a smell, but I just like to be on the safe side and pre-wash my wigs. I did get some goodies in the bag. So of course, they did give me 2 wig caps and an elastic band to go on my wig. So hey, kudos to Amazon for that.
in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
As you see how thick the lace is, like I said, I have already put my makeup on there, but it did come with 4 combs, 2 in the front and of course 2 in the back, with the adjustable in the back so it can just fit just for you.
Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love. True. I don't wanna fight, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest and I want that, yeah.
Okay, you guys, this is how the final look is given as it's wet. It is so cute, so soft. I love the curls on here. Even the ends do not get nappy. Like, it has a good texture of curls at the end. I'm really loving this hair, you guys. Like, I highly recommend this hair. It is so cute on me. So cute.